Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create a beautiful and creative stone art decoration for your home using a simple glass vase. To start off, gather some stones of different shapes, sizes, and colors. You can find these at your local craft store or even collect them from nature. Next, lay out the stones on the table and plan out a design that you would like to create on your vase. Be creative and experiment with different patterns and arrangements. Once you have your design ready, start gluing the stones onto the glass vase. Make sure to press them firmly in place to ensure they stick properly. After you have glued all the stones onto the vase, let it dry for a few hours to ensure that the stones are securely attached. To add an extra touch of elegance, you can paint the stones with metallic paint. This will give your vase a beautiful shimmering effect. And there you have it, a stunning and creative stone art decoration for your home. This vase will add a touch of nature and sophistication to any room. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take stone art to the next level by creating a unique and eye-catching design on a glass vase. For this project, you'll need a glass vase, an assortment of stones, strong glue, metallic paint, and a paintbrush. Let's get started. Begin by arranging the stones in a circular pattern on the table. This will help you visualize the design before attaching them to the vase. Once you're happy with the layout, start gluing the stones onto the vase one by one. Make sure to work methodically and press each stone firmly into place. After all the stones are glued on, it's time to add some flair with metallic paint. Use a paintbrush to carefully apply the paint to each stone, creating a stunning contrast. Allow the metallic paint to dry completely before displaying your masterpiece. This elegant stone art decoration will surely be a conversation starter in your home. And don't forget to share your own stone art creations with us in the comments below. We'd love to see how you put your own unique spin on this project. Until next time, happy crafting! If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative DIY projects. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos where we explore even more exciting art and craft ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting! Small projects, big impact, creative uses for stone remnants. Maximizing style and savings, the art of utilizing stone remnants in home design. In the world of home renovation and interior design, the beauty and elegance of stone can add a touch of class and uniqueness to any space. However, large slabs of stone for countertops or flooring can be prohibitively expensive for those on tighter budgets or unnecessary for smaller spaces. That's where stone remnants come into play. Remnants pieces left over from larger projects can be a cost-effective and creative way to incorporate natural stone into your home. Here are some inspiring ideas for using stone remnants that can significantly impact your space without breaking the bank. 1. Bathroom vanities. Transform your bathroom with a touch of luxury by using stone remnants for your vanity top. Whether you opt for marble, granite, or quartz, a stone vanity top can elevate the look of your bathroom, making it feel more sophisticated and spa-like. Because vanities require smaller pieces of stone, remnants are perfect for this project. Pair your stone top with an undermount sink and simple hardware to let the natural beauty of the stone shine. 2. Custom tabletops. Create a statement piece of furniture by topping a coffee table, end table, or dining table with a piece of remnant stone. This project not only gives new life to a piece of furniture but also introduces an element of high-end design into your living space. Stone tabletops are beautiful, durable, and easy to clean, making them practical for everyday use. Choose a piece of stone that complements your decor to create a seamless and sophisticated look. 3. Fireplace surrounds. Give your fireplace a facelift with a beautiful stone surround. Stone remnants can be used to create a stunning focal point in your living room, den, or bedroom. Whether you're looking for a sleek and modern look with smooth quartz or a traditional and cozy atmosphere with textured granite, a remnant piece can meet your needs. Stone surrounds are heat-resistant and durable, making them ideal for use around a fireplace. 4. Outdoor accents. Bring the luxury of stone to your outdoor living spaces by using remnants for patio tabletops, garden bench seats, or decorative stepping stones. Stone's natural durability makes it well suited for outdoor use, where it can withstand the elements while adding elegance to your garden or patio. Custom-cut remnants can fit any design, from a classic garden bench to a modern outdoor dining area. 5. Shelving and accents. For a subtler touch of stone in your home, consider using remnants for floating kitchen, bathroom, or living area shelves. Stone shelves can add a unique texture and color contrast to your walls while providing a sturdy surface for displaying decor, books, or kitchen essentials. Alternatively, use smaller remnants to create one-of-a-kind accent pieces like serving boards, coasters, or decorative inlays in furniture. 6. Making the most of stone remnants. When planning your project, it's essential to measure accurately. Ensure you have the precise dimensions for your project to select a remnant piece that fits. Choose the right finish. Depending on the use and location, consider the stone's finish: polished for a glossy look, honed for a matte finish, or leathered for a textured feel. Consult with professionals. Work with knowledgeable providers like Blackstone Stone and Marble to select the best remnant for your project and ensure it's properly cut and installed. Using stone remnants allows you to incorporate luxurious materials into your home in a cost-effective and environmentally friendly way. Whether it's a small vanity top or a custom dining table, these projects can have a big impact, adding value and beauty to your space. Let your creativity flow and explore the possibilities that stone remnants can offer for your next home improvement project. Art decoration will surely be a conversation starter in your home. And don't forget to share your own stone art creations with us in the comments below. We'd love to see how you put your own unique spin on this project. Until next time, happy crafting! If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative DIY projects. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos where we explore even more exciting art and craft ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!